you're here at the PackExpo show with some new products.
Yeah, so we recently launched our new printer line, the VP500 and the VP550. What's great about them, one of the key things is the price point to get somebody into a really high quality color label printer for printing their labels in-house. Both start under $4,000, which we really think is going to benefit small, medium businesses and other businesses that are looking to print more in-house, get more control over their labels. You know, a lot of people have been impacted by the pandemic with respect to supply chain, so it gives them more control to print a really high quality color label in-house. Small, medium-sized businesses that really are having to order minimum order quantities of, say, like 5,000, where they only need, 1,000, can really have the flexibility to print in-house, have that benefit, and hopefully it's within a price that makes sense for their budget. And then as well, we're across all boards, enterprise customers as well, where they're like considering printing in-house because of supply chain issues. Now can get one of these for under $4,000 to start and may ease into it and have it there if they need it for certain smaller SKUs. And
that's interesting. I mean, I hadn't heard that talked about as much, but that's an interesting topic. Just businesses, large and small, wanting more flexibility. That idea of being able to print in-house when you need it, maybe for a larger company, still beneficial to them. The VP500, the VP550, what's the main difference between those two platforms?
Yeah, so the VP550 has the water-resistant ink. That's great for like chilled beverages, anything that's going to be frozen. And what's nice is you get that same excellent image quality for a prime label that's going to be on the shelf. So that's kind of the main differences between like the VP500, where it has a standard water resistance, and then the VP550 with that strong water resistance, where even like shampoos and things along those lines, heavy contact with water, you don't have any concerns about the ink bleeding paired with the right medium.
That's really exciting. So this is complementing a bigger product line that you've had in the market as well.
The high end, we have printers with a little bit more speed, a little bit less on the ink cost as well for people that are doing the larger runs. And then kind of coming on down to these, where somebody's starting out wanting to print in-house, they can do that and print the really high quality color labels, water resistant labels on our VP550 for like refrigerator products that are going to be frozen. And really on all our devices, they can use a lot of different label materials, so they have flexibility around gloss, matte, and specialty label stocks as well. So really giving a lot of flexibility to print in-house at a really affordable price and print the labels that's going to, prime label for their product to look great on the shelf. Yeah, from my perspective, absolutely the image quality is huge. I mean, it's 1600 by 1600. We'll go up against any other product on the market, and it's, as far as I'm concerned, it can't be touched. The speed also, I mean, compared to a lot of the competitive products on the market, it's 6 times faster in high quality mode. So if you have somebody that really needs productivity, that's going to help them as well. The flexibility with the substrates obviously is fantastic. And then as well, kind of like we mentioned, the affordability with the cost to print in-house compared to outsourcing short run labels is a critical thing. A lot of our customers, they want to do the short runs. I've had people outsourcing, paying over $1 per label, where on these they've been well below 15 cents per label.
Wow.
So they can
That's a big difference.
Yeah, huge cost savings to get a return on the printer price quickly. As well, like I said, more control over their labels, more flexibility for design changes.
Yeah.
And they're simple. I mean, it's a desktop printer. It's really pretty basic to use. They can get up and running quickly and print those high quality color labels for the products to make their product look great and hopefully increase their sales.
Exactly. Brian, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you, Kim. Appreciate your time.
Okay.